Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to test out this digital soldering pen on a small circuit board so you can see how precise and controlled this is for electronics work. The LCD digital display makes setup simple, and you can easily monitor and adjust temperature on the screen, which is especially important when working with small components and tight soldering points. This soldering pen has an adjustable temperature range from 180 to 450 degrees Celsius, making it safe for delicate circuit boards, but still offering enough heat for solid connections. To get started, plug in the Type-C charging port, power it on, and set your temperature. It heats up to 350 degrees Celsius in about 10 seconds. So there's almost no waiting before you can actually begin. And you can even use it while it's charging. Now onto the small circuit board. Place the tip gently on the soldering pad and component lead. Feed the solder wire onto the joint, not directly onto the tip. And watch it melt cleanly and flow into place. This gives you a smooth, reliable solder connection without overheating nearby parts. Another great feature you could use is the soldering pen while it's charging. As you can see, it stays powered on and fully functional, which is perfect for longer repair sessions or when you're using a power bank or laptop. The included kit is very complete. It comes with a carrying case, 3 interchangeable soldering tips, soldering wire, a cleaning sponge, rosin flex, and a soldering iron holder. Everything you need is included so you can start soldering immediately. Overall, this soldering pen is compact, fast, heating, and ideal for small circuit board repairs, electronics, projects, and any precision work.